Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this BODMAS problem that many people fail to solve. They solve it like this: 1 plus 2 as 3 and 11 times 3 as 33 and 33 divided by 3, 33 as 1, which is the incorrect approach. Because when you have given multiple operation, then you have to follow BODMAS rule. And as per BODMAS or PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve the bracket if given. So yes, so 33 divided by 11 multiply 3. Now we have two operation, division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So we can divide it by 33 with 11. So this gives 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer here? 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.